This is Venkat from Data Quest. We will cover Apache Iceberg in this series. It's an open table format, like many of us know. I'm going to deep dive into the open standard for Hughes analytic tables, which is Apache Iceberg. On the right side, you would see different layers within Iceberg. You have data files, you have manifest layer, metadata layer, catalog layer, and above the waterline, you would see the table definitions that are created on catalogs and all the metadata operations. So we will go deeper into each layer in coming sessions. Let's move on to the next slide where what we are also going to cover in this entire series. We will be covering what is iceberg, the problem that it solves, the origin story, and why industry standardize on it. We can also go over the core features and deep diving on each of the features. Why industry adopted Iceberg, the migration strategies. Iceberg file and metadata layout, the layered architecture that we just went over. Creating Iceberg tables with different engines like Spark, Flink, Trino, and other catalog Iceberg supported engines. Querying Iceberg tables. We'll explore the features that are supported by Iceberg through queries such as time travel, partition pruning, incremental reads, etc. Finally, we'll go over the hands-on demo walkthrough, end-to-end setup of a catalog, reading and writing into an Iceberg table, and validating the results. Let's see what is Iceberg. Iceberg is an open table format, a specification for how large analytic tables are stored and tracked. It is engine agnostic and storage agnostic. It's not a database. Iceberg sits on top of object storage such as S3, GCS, and or ADLS. It adds structure, versioning, and ACID semantics on top of plain data files. Multi-engine support. Engines such as Spark, Flink, Trino, BigQuery, Snowflake, and many other catalogs such as Unity catalog can all read write the same Iceberg table. So in a nutshell, Apache Iceberg is an open table format that supports interoperability, which means no vendor lock-in. It can be queried through multiple engines, which supports Iceberg REST catalog.